Alright guys, I am here at this place called Tiger Hill. It's not a resort, it's like a scenic area, let's put it like that. So, Tiger Hill Park. We are here, I'm here with Celestine. She's back again. And yeah, so we're gonna do some photography here. The main thing I'm gonna be doing today is testing out my new lens. So I got a new lens. This is the lens, it's a new lens. I'm gonna be using it today. This is probably terrible lighting. But yeah, this is the lens I'm going to be using today. I'm going to be trying it out, all the different photos and videos that I can get from this lens. Oh yeah, this is a 56mm, it's a Sigma 56mm 1.4 lens. I've already taken like a few videos with it, but I'm going to take some more videos, and I'm also going to take some photos with this lens. And what are you going to do?
I'm going to take photos too.
So that was the 56mm, really good lens. I absolutely enjoyed shooting with this lens. I love the photos that came from it. Really crisp, really clean photos that you can get with this lens. So this is the end of the video. If you have any comments about the lens, let me know down in the comment box below. And also make sure you remember to leave a like and subscribe if that's something you're interested in. I'll see you in the next one.
Peace.
All right, so let's go. Let's get it. We didn't plan
Let's
this
go.
outfit, by the way. It just so happened that we're wearing
Oh,
like
yeah.
similar color. Interesting.
Obviously.